Okay, we are back, and it is time to unbox the Blu-ray movie of The Mag with Jason Statham, which is, I've seen it before, and it's really pretty good. Okay. There's a code there, but it says, I don't know, is that a code? Survey? I don't know. Oh, here's the code. Okay, so here's the digital code. And then there's the QR code. Don't know much about that stuff. I'm a physical media person, so I give away my digital codes. So anyways, here's the cover here, which, wow, that's crazy how big that motherfucker is. Spine, the back, special features, and we got two discs there, DVD and Blu-ray. Cool. So there you guys have it, guys. That is it for this video, and adios.